All right, here we go. We got the Challenger 1 going on a B64, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There he is. 4-second delay, and we got streamers coming down. It's going to be on the grass in the field. Real nice. Streamer not really holding up, caught a little bit there, but he's coming down and he's in the field and he's good. Touchdown. That's the Challenger 1. Perfect flight of the Challenger 1. So that was cool. Pretty cool. Nice. So this is my furthest walk of the day. The first one would have been a decent walk. The second one anyway. Space Shuttle was on a B64 also. I went below what they call for. They call for a C63 in the Space Shuttle. So I opted to go a little under the power because I know it would still lift 4 ounces. So to me, it was a perfect flight. Best flight of the day so far. Or this one right here. This is pretty nice too. This was a nice flight. Challenger 1. Coming up on him now. Perfect. Nice. There he is right here. Streamers. Enough wadding, everything. There's no burn, so that was perfect. That would be a textbook. Put that in the textbook. Nice flight. Perfect. Subscribe to the channel, guys. IN_321 at Estes Rockets. Go and get yourself some rocket stuff. Subscribe to the channel. Thumb up.